You don't need a foolproof tutorial because you're not a fool. Let's draw some metal. Now I know metal is scary and a lot of artists hate drawing it, but I have 3 rules that I follow to make it a lot easier. Rule number 1, lights and darks are best friends, they always go next to each other. This feels counterintuitive because when you shade most normal objects, the light side and the shadow side are usually on the opposite sides of the object. But for metal, you want it to be different. You want the light and the dark to be right next to each other. You can see here, light is right here and the dark is here. They're right next to each other. Same with this object. The light and dark are squished together. This rule works for any objects. Rule number 2. If you need to draw a hard edge or a crease in your metal, just put 2 gradients next to each other. This box looks really great, and all it is 3 different gradients that are put next to each other. Some of them are lighter, some of them are darker, but they're just 3 gray gradients put together, and it makes this illusion of a beautiful metal box. Same with this disc shape. There's a gradient for the top shape, and then the sides have a different gradient. That's all it is. You can also emphasize the edges of your shape by adding a white highlight to the edge. Rule number 3. The more blurry your metal is, the more dull it will look. These 3 metal balls are the exact same. The only difference is I blurred the second and third ones. You can see that all 3 of them still read as metal, but the first one looks more shiny because it has crisper highlight and shadow shapes. This is a really easy trick you can use to change the type of metal that you're drawing. As a bonus tip, you can use gradient maps to quickly and easily change the color of your metal without having to redraw it. You could use this to turn silver into gold, for example, like a real alchemist. And finally, of course, don't forget to use reference images if you're drawing something really specific. They can definitely come in handy for drawing more complex objects. Let me know if this tutorial helped or if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to make more. I will see you guys next Tutorial Tuesday.